Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to have you join me yet again, and today I'm bringing it to you from the floor of my bedroom because we're gonna talk carpeting. Yay! Really, area rugs, that's what we're gonna be talking about. So carpeting is when we call wall to wall. That's carpeting. So that is when you have a bedroom like this one in a rental, whereby the bedrooms are usually wall to wall carpeted. Yes? But then what you can do to elevate that situation is to layer an area rug on top of that wall to wall carpeting. So that's a way that you can bring in some pattern, it's a way that you can bring in some color, and it's a way to bring in some texture. So the most common question I get, what is the most durable, everyday, high traction rug that also has some texture to it, that has some like an element of a beachy vibe to it, because we do live in the beach. So I get that question often, and everybody who comes into our little condo of cuteness here, I have two of them from the same vendor, and I will link them down below for you. They are through Wayfair, and they are the bomb diggity bomb of jute area rugs. Jute, 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 okay? It is textural and it's knotty. I like the knotty jute. I like the ones that are thicker, that look like they can almost be pulled apart at any moment, but they really can't. They're wound really well. And this one from Wayfair just hits all my boxes. It is super cozy under my feet. It doesn't hurt. It is soft enough to walk on and to stand on and to not get annoyed with. And it adds that perfect element of grounding to your space without it being too overpowerful with regard to color and texture and pattern. Those are the sorts of things that I like to play more so with when it comes to pillows or artwork, or even some wallpaper if you're allowed to wallpaper in your space. So I'm a big proponent of keeping things on the neutral side, on the ground layer, and these jute rugs are stellar. So they're perfect for high traffic areas as well. So if you have entryways or long foyers, jute is an amazing way to go. You can put it in your bathroom. I also have another one inside of my bathroom, and it brings in a nice level of continuity. So if you can repeat that same textural area rug in multiple places in your home, it's a nice kind of brings together element of, oh, well, they did that here and they did it here too, and I'm not necessarily overthinking it, but I'm noticing it. See what I did there? Noticing. It's just like if you have drapery and you pick a fun pattern on your drapery and you take that pattern from that drapery and you bring in that pattern in another space in your home, it's a nice element of continuity. And again, designers, we love continuity. I digress. Back to the area rug. So keep it with this jute puppy right here. It will never treat you wrong. It will never do you wrong. It hides dirt really well. It vacuums a-okay, no problem, works on any vacuum. And again, it's really just this great textural, knotty, knobby, fun piece that you can layer and layer and layer. Comes in a variety of sizes, and so hopefully any one of those will work for whatever need or space that you guys have going on. But jute, jute, jute. My buddy and me, jute. That's all that I got. Hit the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and we will come back at you with another design tip for your everyday here soon, I'm sure. I'm sure you've seen me now in this top quite a few times, right? Because it looks great on film, let's be honest. And I just can't keep doing wardrobe changes. I don't have that many shirts. So I need to get more shirts. In any case, I will see you guys next time. Aloha.